Hey everyone, just want to give a quick update. Things are going well, and I'm excited about what's next.
Jersey number 11. Jersey number 8. One, two. 2 points. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 5. 2 points. Fatimano. Behind the scene. 2 points.
Reka! Harap!
Jersey number 18.
Harap, harap! Hey! Huli!
Jersey number 13. Jersey number 38. 2 points.
Mahirang ka lang ito, nakino. Pagka tinatalo mo, ito sa makakalo nyo. Paul.
Jersey number 23. 2 points.
Dalawa!
Jersey
Mo!
number 13.
Huli! Huli!
Jersey number 18.
Panos! Akala ko pilay ka!
Sabi mo, Bilay.
Pilay daw siya kahirap.
Wala pa rin. Two points. Robbie Espinosa.
Yun!
Right back. Wala.
Paul Suray! Ulang!
Jersey number 18. Espinosa. Two points. Espinosa. Jersey number 24. 2 points. Fatimano. Jersey number 18. 7. 2 points. Angkat sa Michigan na point.
Wow, nice pass.
2 points by jersey number 17. Jersey number 23.
Hirap ulit!
From 3. Espinosa. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 2. Espinosa again.
Panos!
Fatimano. Jersey number 17. Jersey number 79. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 30.
Apat!
Jersey number 17, jersey number 30, jersey number 10, jersey number 4, Alpasa. Jersey number 28. Jersey number 32, Andrade.
Sabit lang! Relax!
Jana.
O, tira! Huli! Nice, nice! Pagod ka na.
Jersey number 38.
Huli! Basketball, basketball.
Jersey number
Uy!
Jersey number 28. Jersey number 17. Inaya, inayuan na. Jersey number 17.
Din! Tumawi din!
79.
Okay, basket count. Balik mo yan. Sab-sab. Ah, sab-sab. Tira! Yeah.
Jersey number 10. Naliposan, division. Jersey number 8.
Harap, harap!
He's a man who finds his joy on the court. He's like a boy who loves a frown and not a grin. Basketball's his cure, his medicine. Basketball's 9% mental, the other half's the fun. On the floor, our spirits run up, 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 life. Life is hard to.
Ang matibay, walang akasan. Sa laro ng buhay, di pwedeng babaan. Hawak ko ang alas, laban hanggang wakas. Matira ang matibay, ako.
Jersey number 23. 2 points.